supporting me and getting me to this place. Without a strong foundation, I would have never been. And I'm very excited to be a part of this innovative type of work. The reality is, like, the chances of me standing here is very slim. I'm only one of 2,480 black architects in the entire United States. And for context, there are over 113,000 architects in the United States today. Out of that 2,480 black architects, only 560 are black women. That number is, both of those numbers are incredibly low. And black women number is even, it's unfathomable how there's only 560 in the entire country. But I'll tell you, I know quite a few of them. Those are some amazing women, and they've definitely helped me grow in my career. And to become a licensed architect, it takes a strong foundation. And support and determination. And my determination and my family support only got me so far. I didn't have anybody in the architecture business. I'm a first generation 4-year college graduate. I'm a first generation master's, graduate. I didn't have anybody in the business. I didn't have a network when I came out of school. There were so many things that barriers to me be standing here being a licensed architect. And it wasn't until I had the support with somebody in the industry that I actually oh wow, I can actually be an architect. Someone who looks like me. In my first architecture job, a Jamaican architect actually, he encouraged me. He said, I can actually get to this level and become a licensed architect. So having that support is crazy important, amazing important. But just being an architect that's just enough. That allows me to do work. It was through NOMA, National Organization of Minority Architects, that I became inspired to do work. So through NOMA and seeing my peers at the time doing amazing things that, they're the same age as me. There's no reason why I can't do it, why I can't inspire anyone else to do those things. And because of NOMA, since 2014, NOMA Detroit has done 11 free architecture camps for high school, middle school students. And we've grown that over those years from a two-day free camp to a week-long. And I'm so incredibly proud of my team that we continue to do that work. But even more proud of the students that come through it and just experience what architecture is. Have that touch of what this could be. But it fills my heart though when I see my students that actually came to the camp and are actually in the profession. It blows my mind. To really see them actually come to this camp and then actually become, professionals in this field. So it's incredibly important that we're in front of this thing. This is amazing that I'm in front of this opportunity, in front of this 3D printed thing, because most of the time we're behind. We're the users. We're the end result of this. But now being here, being in front of it, I can provide access to young folks to this technology, to this industry, in a totally completely different way. For a little bit of context and continue to support, I met Tom actually because of my connection, again, in NOMA with Karen Berger of Space Lab Detroit, which I am a member of. And because of her platform, I was able to connect with Tom. And he was able to really get it because we met with each other, our vision and our mission aligned, and what we wanted to do was bring the youth. For me, it's bring the youth to the different industries. Bring the youth to innovative technology. Get them excited about something that's brand new for the industry, but it's not brand new as Tom had said before. So having that, is incredibly important to continue to bring those folks forward. And a project like this, again, this allows these young folks to have access and exposure to it. It just means so much that I can be a part of that. And then bringing this technology to the housing market, the market, like Tom was mentioning, is in a state of flux. So any innovation, any disruption that we can provide, that allows young folks to get in early, rather than late, rather than behind, rather always being the end user of technology. That's the name of the game. So, and this project's just the beginning. The 3D printing technology is going to disrupt the construction field. It has to. There's time to put it plainly. It's just more efficient to do a lot of these things. But how can we coordinate? How can we innovate? That's what the young folks. That's what I'm here to do. We're trying to figure out how we can do this better. so that more people can have great, sustainable, and unique homes. And so we can have manufacturing and do something very unique. So this is nothing but an opportunity for young and seasoned folks to come and do something innovative and different that's going to really disrupt the construction field. So for me, I'm incredibly proud to be the architect on this project because it allows me to provide young people and my peers a platform and a foundation for them to build in this and continue on in the future. Thank you.